Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to fix PDF files not opening with Microsoft Edge. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Microsoft Edge is a really useful PDF viewer. It's really easy to use, so here I have a PDF, and when I go and open it up, it doesn't open up in Edge view maybe. Different app for me opens up in Notepad. To go and change this and fix this, it's super straightforward. What you need to do is come and find the PDF, and you need to go and right-click on it. When you do that, hover over Open With, then go over to the right and go down and click on it. Choose another app, you'll go and get this pop up. Now what you need to do is go and find Microsoft Edge. For me, it's the suggested apps. All you then need to do is select it and click on Always. Then it will go and open up in Edge. As you can see, and now the next time I do it, it goes and opens up in Edge as well as we've gone. And set the default to Edge. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more. Thank you so much for watching and look forward to catch you in the next one.